Artificial intelligence, or AI, has come a long way since its inception. From simple calculators to complex algorithms, AI has revolutionized the way we live and work. But what does the future hold for this rapidly evolving technology? In this video, we'll explore the predictions and possibilities of AI and what it means for our future. AI has the potential to transform every aspect of our lives. From healthcare to transportation, education to entertainment, AI is already making a significant impact. But the possibilities are endless. AI is already being used in a variety of industries, from self-driving cars to virtual assistants. But what are some of the predictions for the future of AI? One of the biggest predictions for AI is that it will become more human-like. We're already seeing this with chatbots and virtual assistants, but in the future, AI will be able to understand and respond to human emotions. Imagine a world where AI can not only understand what we say, but also how we feel. This could revolutionize the way we interact with technology. Another prediction for AI is that it will become more autonomous. We're already seeing this with self-driving cars. But in the future, AI will be able to make decisions on its own. Autonomous AI could have a huge impact on industries like transportation and logistics. But what are some of the other possibilities for AI in the future? One of the biggest possibilities for AI is that it will be able to solve some of the world's biggest problems. From climate change to poverty, AI has the potential to make a real difference. AI could be used to analyze data from around the world and identify patterns and trends that humans may not be able to see. This could lead to breakthroughs in fields like medicine and energy. But with great power comes great responsibility. As AI becomes more advanced, we need to consider the impact it will have on society. We need to ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that is ethical and responsible. There are concerns that AI could lead to job loss and inequality, and some people are even protesting against it. But is this fear justified? While it's true that AI could lead to job loss in some industries, it could also create new jobs in others. We need to ensure that we're prepared for the changes that AI will bring. AI is already changing the way we work, but what will the future of work look like with AI? Workplace expert says, AI will change the way we work, but it won't replace humans. Instead, it will augment our abilities and allow us to work more efficiently and effectively. The future of AI is full of possibilities, but it's up to us to ensure that it's developed and used in a way that benefits everyone. What will the future hold? Only time will tell. AI researcher thinks. One thing is for sure, AI will continue to evolve and improve. We're already seeing breakthroughs in areas like natural language processing and computer vision. In the future, AI will be able to understand and interpret the world around us in ways we can't even imagine. AI could also lead to new forms of entertainment and art. Imagine a world where AI can create music, movies, and even paintings. An AI artist shares his thoughts. AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we create and consume art. It can help us explore new ideas and push the boundaries of what's possible. But with all these possibilities come challenges. How do we ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that is ethical and responsible? Some opinions from an AI ethicist. We need to ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that is transparent, accountable, and fair. We need to consider the impact that AI will have on society and ensure that it benefits everyone, not just a select few. AI developers and researchers are already working on ethical guidelines for AI. These guidelines aim to ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that is ethical and responsible. AI development. We need to ensure that AI is transparent and explainable. We need to be able to understand how AI makes decisions and ensure that it's not biased or discriminatory. AI is already being used to make decisions in areas like finance and healthcare. But how do we ensure that these decisions are fair and unbiased? AI research. We need to ensure that AI is trained on diverse data sets and that it's tested for bias and discrimination. We also need to ensure that humans are involved in the decision-making process and that they can override AI decisions if necessary. AI is already changing the way we live and work, but what will the future hold? Will AI become more human-like? Will it be able to solve some of the world's biggest problems? Only time will tell. One thing is for sure, AI will continue to evolve and improve. It will become more advanced and more integrated into our lives. But it's up to us to ensure that it's developed and used in a way that benefits everyone. The future of AI is full of possibilities, but it's up to us to shape it. Let's work together to ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that benefits everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.